What if I tell you that money will never work the same again? Banks, jobs, investing, everything is changing because of artificial intelligence, and most people are not ready for it. What is AI doing? Right now, AI is no longer the future. It's already controlling how money moves. Today, AI is used by banks, stock markets, credit card companies, online businesses. AI analyzes millions of transactions in seconds, faster than any human. One AI is changing banking. Traditional banking is slow. AI-powered banking is instant. In the USA, AI detects fraud instantly. AI approves loans faster. AI manages customer support 24/7. Some banks already use AI to decide who gets loans, what interest rate you pay. Your financial behavior is becoming data, not opinion. 2. AI is transforming investing. Earlier, only rich people had financial advisors. Now, AI is your advisor. AI tools can analyze stock market trends, predict risks, automatically rebalance portfolios. Robo-advisors are growing fast in America. AI is making investing cheaper and smarter. But remember, AI doesn't remove risk. It just makes decisions faster. 3. AI will change how we earn money. Jobs are changing. AI is replacing repetitive work, but creating new opportunities. Freelancing with AI tools, online businesses, content creation, automation services. In the future, income will depend on how well you use AI, not how hard you work. Americans who adapt early will win. 4. Will AI replace cash? Cash is slowly disappearing. AI supports digital payments, cryptocurrencies, central bank, digital currencies, CBDCs. Governments want faster, trackable money systems. AI makes this possible. The future of money will be digital, automated, data-driven. The danger of AI in money. AI is powerful, but dangerous if misused. Concerns include privacy loss, financial surveillance algorithm, bias. That's why financial education is more important than ever. Final thought, AI won't make you rich, but understanding AI will. The people who learn how money works with AI will control their financial future. Call to action. If you want to stay ahead in the AI money revolution, subscribe for more future-focused finance videos.